Yes, we all know the Ray-Ban Meta smart glasses. They come with this really nice transportation, storage and even charging case. Of course, it's not super difficult to use, but we still have to open, align it, push it down. Also, removing is sometimes a little bit difficult. And so if you want to have something even more convenient or just have an extra charging dock, then I have some awesome thing for you here. And that's this REIKIYA AI glasses charging dock. It's compatible with all the Ray-Ban Meta AI glasses, Gen 1, Gen 2, fits for the Wayfarer, the Headliner and the Skyler, so you don't have to be worried that it's not fitting. And so let's take it out, see what we really get. And so here we have it, makes a really good impression, really solid, has quite some weight, comes also with a modern USB-C to C charging cable. And so it's super easy to take the glasses and put them over this dock here, get confirmation of the charging, super easy. The dock has even some safety features like overheating, overcurrent, even short circuit protection. And of course also removing is super easy and definitely faster than with the original case. So for me it works perfectly here in the office as an additional charging case. Definitely much easier and faster than the original one. Of course, for traveling I take this one with me, but here at home or in the office this is definitely much more convenient. And so full recommendation from my side. Yeah, and so if you're interested, you can find the link to the Amazon listing down in the description of the video, so you can check it out and order one for you if you like. Could be also a great gift for somebody who has already these glasses. Could be a nice surprise. And so I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments or want to share your own experience with this charging dock, then just let us know down in the feedback area. I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.